A mighty angel will come down as a millstone cast into the sea. Revelations 18:21. And the mighty angel took up a stone like a millstone cast into the sea, saying, "Just with this further shall the great city Babylon be thrown down and shall be found no more." The great city Babylon is a whore. A whore gets thrown down, a harlot, look, rinsed out, and then you go back to the nakedness of Babylon. Take the millstone and grind meal unto cover thy locks, make bare thy legs, uncover thy thigh, pass over the rivers. The nakedness shall be uncovered, Jesus. Well, that means pass over the rivers, get wet, get your kit off, strip, tremble. The millstone chops got put the mill is breathing. And then the oats, grind meal, sounds our own. That's what it's all about. Listen now, violence. Listen. People call them terrible, so don't get them vexed.